Hello, today let us learn the topic electronic components. To begin with, let us first study the definition of electronic components. The components used in designing or assembling of an electronic circuit are called as electronic components. There are two types of electronic components, namely passive components and active components. Let us first study passive components. The components which are not able to amplify or process electrical signals are called as passive components. Examples are resistor, capacitor, and inductor. Resistor. A resistor is a two-terminal passive electronic component used to oppose or limit the current. It works on the principle of Ohm's law, which states that voltage applied across the terminals of a resistor is directly proportional to the current flowing through it, which is given by the equation V is equal to I into R, where V stands for voltage, I stands for current, and R stands for resistance. The unit of the resistance is ohms, where R is constant and is called as resistance. Figure shows the symbol of a resistor. Second, capacitor. A capacitor is made from two conductive plates with an insulator between them, and it stores electrical energy in the form of an electric field. It blocks the DC signal and allows the AC signal to pass through it. The stored charge is given by the equation Q is equal to C into V, where C is the capacitance of a capacitor and V is the applied voltage. Figure shows the symbol of a capacitor. Third, inductor. An inductor is also referred as AC resistor, which stores electrical energy in the form of magnetic energy. It resists the changes in the current, and the standard unit of inductance is Henry. It has the capability of producing magnetic lines and is called as inductance. Figure shows the symbol of an inductor. Second, we are going to study active components. The components which are able to amplify or process electrical signals are called as active components. Examples are diode, transistor, IC, batteries, etc. First, transistor. A transistor is a three-terminal semiconductor device. It is mostly used as a switching device and also as an amplifier. This switching device can be a voltage or current control. By controlling the voltage applied to the terminal, controls the current flow through the other two terminals. Transistors are of two types, namely BJT and FET. BJT stands for bipolar transistor, bipolar junction transistor, and FET stands for field effect transistor. They are classified into two types, PNP and NPN. These are the three terminals of transistor: base, emitter, and collector. Figure shows the symbol of NPN and PNP transistor. Diode. A diode is a device that allows the current to flow in one direction and usually made with semiconductor material. It has two terminals, namely anode and cathode. These are mostly used in converting circuits like AC to DC, and these are of different types like PN junction diodes, Zener diode, LEDs, photodiodes, etc. Figure shows the symbol of a diode. Integrated circuits. An integrated circuit or IC is a special component which is fabricated with thousands of transistors, resistors, diodes, and other electronic components on a tiny silicon chip. These are the building blocks of current electronic devices like cell phones, computers, etc. Display devices. LCD. A liquid crystal display is a flat display technology which is mostly used in applications like computer monitor, cell phone display, calculators, etc. Batteries. Batteries are the most common power source for stand-alone industrial, domestic and handheld device application. Here we can see the comparison of active and passive components along with their symbols. Active components include transistor, diode, LED, photodiode, integrated circuit, amplifier, 7-segment display, battery, and passive components include resistor, LDR, thermistor, capacitor, inductor, switch, variable resistor, and transformer. Thank you.